Students, there are many things around us. Some of the things around us are living things, while others are non-living things.
Plants and animals are living things.
Yes, plants and animals are living things. Students, you must have seen different kinds of animals around you, haven't you? Animals like the lion, the tiger, the leopard, the bear, the deer, and the giraffe live in the jungles. Similarly, animals like the fish, the shark, the dolphin, and the whale live in places like the seas and the oceans.
Likewise, birds like the parrot, the dove, the eagle, and the crow build their nests on trees to live in. They live on trees.
Yes, birds like the sparrow, the hawk, the cuckoo, and the woodpecker also build their nests on trees to live in. They also live on trees. Students, animals that live in the jungle, the seas, the oceans, and the trees do not live with people in their homes and at their farms.
Those animals which people do not keep in their homes and at their farms are wild animals.
So, animals like the lion, the tiger, the leopard, the bear, the deer, and the giraffe are wild animals. Similarly, the fish, the shark, the dolphin, and the whale are also wild animals. Birds like the sparrow, the hawk, the cuckoo, and the woodpecker are also wild animals.
Birds like the parrot, the dove, the eagle, and the crow are also wild animals. Insects like the butterfly, the honeybee, the wasp, and the grasshopper